Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And in today's video, I will be doing a micro happy planner plan with me with these really cute Hello Kitty stickers that I found at Hobby Lobby. So if you like Hello Kitty, I think you would love this sticker pack. It is so adorable. And this is how the pack looks in the store. And it's only $5. And you get a lot of stickers with this. So I highly recommend you check them out in Hobby Lobby. Y'all, when I was planning the spread, I had the hardest time because first off, this is a lot of stickers, but secondly, they're kind of big. So in my micro spread, I'm gonna go for like a simple kind of functional spread, I think, because the stickers are so big and the pages are so small. So here's my really cute summer planner right here, and this patterned paper is what I will be using for the spread today. I'm also going to use a couple of other additional sticker books to just add something else different to the spread. So this one is Violet Studio that I purchased at Joann's, and all these sticker books are only like $2. And look how adorable that is. I think it'll match the Hello Kitty really well. The other sticker book I'll be using is the Color Story with Happy Planner, which I think this is an older sticker book, but it's still adorable. And there's some pink colors in here that I think will look really good. Y'all, how cute is this? I forgot to show this in the beginning, but this also came with it. I think it's just a piece of paper, but it's not cardstock or anything, but I still think it'll be really cute in your planner. So how adorable is this? So the first sticker that I noticed that I thought was so cute was this sticker. The only thing I hate is that it's a big sticker for this micro. Like, it can fit in there, but I thought about putting it this way just so it's turned differently. Like, I don't know, what do you think? Like, it's really cute, but it's so big. I don't want to cut it either. I also thought about doing it like this and then just hole punching the side. Oh, I might do that. I might do it like this and hole punch the side. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. But yes, I wanted to include this sticker, like no choice. Non-negotiable. This sticker is so adorable. Ooh. So they're clear stickers, and look how pigmented that color is. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, I gotta be careful. Okay, I don't think that's bad. I'm still gonna have to hole punch it, but maybe I can make like the edges right here non-sticky. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. That is so adorable. Let me go ahead and hole punch this. Y'all, I love this hole punch. This is the We Are Memory Keepers. I think they call it the crocodile hole punch. I don't know. They have different crocodiles, so it's confusing, but look for the disc punch. Like, when I tell you this can punch through almost any material, I love this thing. I don't know if I'm gonna cut this side off yet or just make it non-sticky and let it stick out. It is so adorable. So I wanna add a little bit of functionality to this spread. So I'm gonna use the Color Story sticker book, and I just wanna find a pink sticker that matches. I'm not sure if I wanna do something with the quote because you can still write up here, or if I should just do like a plain box. I thought there was a pink one in here, but I can always find another color. Oh, there it is, this one. How adorable is this? But now I'm kind of looking at this one. I think I'm gonna try to put both. This one is cute too. I like this one too, all three. I don't know if I could do all three, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna put this one here on the edge. And then I want to take this sticker. I kind of was going to put her on top. Isn't that cute? Kind of like she's resting on top. Oh, that is so adorable. And then I really like the black and white for some reason, so I'm gonna put this, I think I should put this here. I really like this bow for some reason. And let's see if there's any like quotes or something with words. I think I'm gonna place this to-do sticker right here. That's adorable. And then I want to put something over here, so let's look in this book. I think these strawberries are really cute. Let me see if I like that. I actually feel like it don't fit. I feel like I don't like it. It doesn't look bad. It does bring a different kind of element. Hold on, let's try. Okay, maybe I can do that then. Yeah, I like the strawberry. I kind of want to add a quote. Let me see if this can fit. I would like for this to fit. Maybe. That's kind of cute. I think I like that. I don't think I like the strawberry though. I'm gonna add these other flowers though. I do like this flower, it's adorable. And I like this heart. I'm gonna add this heart. I think it would kind of fit. And then I think I can fill it up a little more. I'm gonna try to fill it in some more. I cannot stop looking at this lavender color. I don't know if I want to add it or not. I think I want to keep it mostly pink. I am having trouble with some of these stickers. Let me see. I think this is coming together so cute. I think I want to try to add maybe 1 or 2 more stickers from this. Like, y'all, look at how many stickers come in the pack, and they're all sizes. Like that, oh my god, that's so cute. Wow. Because they're all so big. Oh, wait. I found another bow. Oh, and maybe this ice cream. Because it does say like you're sweet, so I do want to add this ice cream. I don't know why. And I think I want to add this bow. I think I'm going to add those. When I tell y'all I'm so extra with planner spreads, I just love a lot of stuff on my spreads. I just do. Oh, that is so adorable. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my micro and let's see how it looks. Oh my goodness, how adorable is this? Wow, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look how pink it is. It is so adorable. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. And I'm curious, have you guys ever seen this sticker set? It's at Hobby Lobby if you haven't. And this is the packaging one more time just to show you. But look how adorable this came out to be. And I love whatever these stickers are made out of, like they're clear. Super cute. So happy with this spread, and I hope you guys are too. I hope this provided some inspiration, something new for you guys to look at. And I thank you guys so much for watching. You know I gotta go ahead and show you guys the montage. Make sure you subscribe for more future upcoming planner videos. Bye guys.